Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AKER. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, actually it's just the past 2 days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis yesterday, but want to get things updated here. And all updates, maybe not necessarily the right word, probably confirmation would be more so an accurate term, because as far as kind of new levels of support or new levels of resistance, nothing like that has really changed, although the levels that I've talked about in the past are still definitely pertaining to the chart. And the first point of confirmation revolves around, we'll talk about areas of support, and that has everything to do with this purple line right here. And you can see right here today, later on in the afternoon, the price did get right around that purple line. And to give credit where credit's due, so far so good. The bulls are holding up above that level, just like you would want to see it hold strong. So I'm sure I get it. The price, didn't exactly go bullish today in the sense of exploding to new highs or anything like that. However, the price was able to still chip away and build this higher base, which is still up above that purple line. I know after hours things are getting a little shaky, but you got to keep in mind there's after hours today, and then tomorrow morning there's all pre-market. So where this is exactly going to open up, that still remains to be seen. In the event though the price does break down below that purple line, next key overall area of support down there at 40 cents. And 40 cents is important in my mind because it keeps it out of this, kind of former area of the channel. I'm not going to speak for everybody, but I think it's a pretty safe assumption on my part that nobody wants to see the price break down below 40 cents or worse yet, come down here, because that would literally be putting the price back at these lows. And that's not a sign of true strength for anybody. Whereas if the price were to come down here, behaves in that manner, bounce around, and then start to work its way back upwards. From the big picture point of view, you'd still have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows down there. If you picture these as stair steps, then the overall stair steps would still be going in the upwards direction. So we'll see what happens with it. But like I said, who knows? This is a penny stock. It's after hours trading. Things can get crazy. Who knows? Maybe there will be some sort of gap up. As far as levels of resistance, though, again, nothing has changed here, just more confirmation. And that has to do with the purple line up here, which I talked about yesterday. You can see right there, rejected it down. And then this morning, price got right up around that vicinity. And once more, it was rejected. That's where the price got pushed back down. So as far as areas of resistance, still all about that 200 period moving average going forward. So this one's getting pretty wild. We will see how it opens up tomorrow and then how things play out from that point. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.